Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Full disclosure, we are filming this on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon because today is Wednesday, February 19th, and the shop is closed today because we are expecting some of the winter weather to be coming through, and our area of the world just does not deal well with roads and winter weather. So even though we're probably all at home safe and sound, the shop might be a little hard to get to. So I still have a video for you. And the first thing I'm going to say is we are only about 200 votes behind the current leader in the local quilt shop contest. And this is worldwide, globally. So we're currently in third place globally. And I would love, love, love for you to get your significant other, get your sisters, brothers, kids, parents to vote for Cary Quilting, just so we can get to that winning number within the next week and a few days. No, I guess, yeah, just a week and a couple of days. Yeah. So yeah, we got to get on it. I've already used my emails. How about you guys? And this is very exciting. We have the Knitted Blooms pattern by Lo and Behold Stitchery in the shop. Knitted Blooms is a sister pattern to one of Lo and Behold Stitchery's most beloved patterns called Knitted Star. And you can choose from 9 different size options in this quilt. And it also has great diagrams. Her directions are amazing. I made her upscale plaid quilt last year, and the directions were on point. And Brittany and her husband are lovely people. And so if you're interested in trying a new pattern, I suggest that one. It's going to be lots of fun. Now, we have a huge collection of these. I'm going to show you about half of them today, and then the others tomorrow. This is called Wild. Unleash Your Wild Side with Wild from Pammy Jane, featuring vibrant rainbow leopard prints. Perfect for anyone who loves to make a statement and embrace their inner wild spirit. And this is by Dear Stella. This would be very, very fun for bags. Or, of course, if you just need a leopard print quilt. Who doesn't need a leopard print quilt? And here come some of the fun colors. And then tomorrow I'm going to show you all the tone-on-tone colors, which will definitely get you a rainbow full of leopards, if that's a thing. I don't know. Again, I hope you guys stay safe and warm today. We are closed today, but we do plan to open tomorrow. On our website, we will be noting if there are any delays or complications with opening tomorrow, but we do plan to be here. Have a great afternoon. Stay safe, stay warm, find some time to sew, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.